What are you doing up there? Eh? You're a ground-dwelling lizard. Hello everybody, Alex here again with Snake Eye Exotics. So we're going to have a little bit of a musical tanks today. So the crevice lizard is swapping with the blizzard, and the blizzard is going in the big tank. So we need to change the substrates, I need to change the temperatures, I need to change the decor, and I need to... So this UV light is in there, so I need to get the big UV light and put it in that one, because he only came in the other day, so his tank's not quite 100% yet. So as soon as we get him in there... How the hell did you get up there? You see her up the top? What's she doing? Give me a sec, I'm going to unlock the tank. What are you doing up there? Eh? You're a ground-dwelling lizard who lives under the floor. You're not arboreal. So, I think that's a sign that she wants a bigger tank. So she's going to move into the big tank, and we'll swap them over. So I'm going to start dismantle. Well, I'm going to catch her, dismantle this one, put some new substrate in, and then start doing this one. So I'll fill you in as I go. See you in a bit. So I'm thinking I could just whip all this out and leave her up there, and it won't be as stressful. So I think I'm going to start whipping all the stuff out. All the decor. You see any places that she's been stashing her poo? Nice bit of the rocks. Let me take the water up carefully. Take the Mario ball, hide. There we go, got a tiny bit of poo under there we've missed. So we'll get the scoop. We can leave the plant in there, that's fine. So we get it all out, give it a clean, and we'll move on from there. As you can see, I'm literally sweeping it up into bigger bunches, quite dusty, and then scooping it up and put it in the bag. And then the bag goes in the freezer for a week to kill any bugs, then it goes in the bin. So literally, scoopy scoop. That's literally, completely missed that then. Oh my god, I need some better camera work. So, there you go, that's literally all I'm doing, then it goes in the bin. I only have to put it in the bin because it's by law, I have to follow that rule. You don't really have to, but if you want to do that, you can do that. So I'm going to carry on getting the last bit out. She's still up there watching me. She's thinking, what are you doing to my house? It was all nice and I liked it, and you're destroying it. Well, she wants the UV light on because she's got her plug hand on the switch. Well, she hasn't got a choice, we're cleaning it out anyway. But if I do start to disinfect it, that's when she'll come out then, because we can't have her having the fumes. So I'll carry on and see how we get on. Put her out the tank. In the little box. So she'll be safe in there now. While we clean it all down, get it all disinfected, and get it fresh as a daisy. So we do that, and then we can start cleaning that one out, and then swap them over. Okie dokie, see you in a sec. While we're here, we can see if we can find the crevice lizard. Crevice? Crevice spiny lizard he is. He's normally in it. There he is. So he's a little baby one. Oh, he's not going to let us pick him up. Normally he does. Where am you, little buddy? Oh, he's going to be Speedy Gonzales today. There he is, come on, buddy. There he is. As you can see, he's all spiky. he's only a juvenile. So we was a bit short for space when we had the delivery come in. So I thought he was going to be twice this size. That's why he's got the big tank. So we're going to set him up in the little tank now. I think what I'll do is I'll set the little tank up first before I dismantle this one, because I don't want him getting cold while he's waiting. Because he's a lot smaller than the gecko. So you can see he's got a bit of a tail on him, but his body is not much longer than my thumb. So we'll get him set up, and then I'll put him in so he doesn't get cold, because he has to stay a lot hotter. He won't get off me now. Go on. Is you nice and warm on my hand? Is that what it is? You didn't want to touch me before, and now you won't let go. Come on. Off you go. Come on. Off you go. No, you're not my new friend, are you now? Oh, there we go. He's a good lad. Get a good look at him there. Oh, no. Didn't like it. So, there he is. So, we get him moved. We'll get the other one set up, sorry. And then we'll get him moved ASAP. So, do you remember that big rip bag of substrate I had? I got it for free, but I didn't throw away the sand, did I? So, we've got our big bag of shop sand now that I am going to use in the tank. So I'm going to crack that open and start doing some scoopies. So there we go, we've got the sand in. Now the crevice lizard loves to bask. So all the rocky outcropping is going to be underneath the light. And then we're going to slowly taper it all down over there. So I'm just going to start mocking it up. I'm thinking rock at the corner over there. And then another one over here. So what you can do as well, so you don't want him to go down the back, is you cover all the back with sand. Almost like Frenches it all in. So I think he's going to prefer going in the rocks than he is going in a hide. So if I've got that there, he can go underneath there, but he won't be able to be seen by anybody, which is a bit of a pain. So I might make it, because he's only tiny, so he likes the smallest little cracks. So I think I've got it angled like that then. He's got some nice little hidey holes. Got another little rock we can put over on that side, so it's a bit more. Of course, you can get more rocks, pile it all up. So we're going to put a water bowl in for him. And put that in the cool end. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get some sand. And we're going to cut it at the back of those rocks so we don't get bugs hiding. And it just fills it up. See what I mean? And it looks like the rocks are coming out of the dirt. I'll do the same at the back of this one. What I'll do, I'll just get my brush, just brush it all about, so it doesn't look like it's just been plonked there. It's a bit more natural. So if I slide these over that way. So that's what we've got now. See, just little tips, gone from just a pile of rocks to a nice little rocky cave. So what we'll do as well is the heat probe position is very important, because this is going to be controlling the whole tank. So we end up running this round the back of here, and we want it pretty close to underneath the heat. So if I put that there, underneath that rock, like so, and we can just cover the wire with a bit more sand. If we can do that. There we go. No one has any idea it's there. Obviously that bit's sticking up. But if you've got your probe over here, your tank's going to be trying to heat all of this up to the max temperature, which we don't want. We want the max temperature over here. which is about 96 Fahrenheit. So we need to turn the heat right up because the geckos don't have it that hot. So we turn the heat up, and then I think we're almost ready to plonk him in. I might put some more rocks and stuff. That I think I'm going to put the tree root down, so I like the tree root. Tree root, and then we put something in the middle. So that's what we've got. That's his little rocky outcropping, and his little wood area where he can go and hide and catch his bugs. So I'll catch him up, plonk him in, see what he thinks. So we've got to try and find him now. There he is, look at that first spot. Now, will he let me catch him? Nope. Come on, you let me do it a second ago. Don't you turn round, I sees you. I sees you. He's not having it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Sorry about my finger in the way, didn't see that. There we go, we got him. So we're going to pick him up. Going to plonk him in. There he is. I think he's going to like this a little bit better. It'll be easier for him to find his food because he's only tiny. We can get the tank a lot hotter because it's smaller. So I think that's a win. We've got to take the Blizzard Leopard Gecko sticker off. Put the new sign on. Oh yeah, he's a lovely little lizard. You gonna focus for me, camera? Gonna focus? Oh no, straight into his cave. Look at that. Whee, I think that's a win. Straight into his cave. So there we go. I'm gonna dismantle this one now and put that one in there. No, you know what I mean. Put her in there. She was out quite happily, chilling. She did have a locust just to keep her busy, and she's quite happy at the moment still. So I'll crack on. So you can see I just put the fresh substrate in. I thought you didn't want to watch me do that again since you've seen me do it before. So we're going to start off by putting a hide underneath. So this one has a ceramic bulb in. Sorry, dropped the phone. So it's got a ceramic bulb in. Just puts out heat the same, but it just has no light source at all. So can be a little bit better for the geckos because they don't really like the light as much. So at the night time the tank is proper dark. So we're going to do some more little bits of decor. So I do have this nice bit of rock here, which is all covered in fossils. I collected this myself when I went on some of my little fossil hunting trips. There wasn't any big fossils in it, so I decided to use it as a little bit of decor for in the tanks. Pretty nice coral fossils in there, so I won't stand it up, we'll have it down, I might have it as a little ledge or something. Put the bit of bark in there, we'll have that up. So I'm thinking of raising it up like that. So I might get myself another little rock, put another hide this side. So we've got hot end hide. Sorry, cold end hide, hot end hide. We've got some little bits of decor we could put in. I'm thinking we just leave it like this for now because she's going to explore it anyway. And she's a big girl, so I don't want to knock it around too much. So we'll let her settle in and then we can make it look a bit more fancy next time. So I'm going to go get her and we'll release her into a new tank. Oh, I forgot the water bowl. We'll get a water bowl. So I've got a water bowl. It's a bit big. Yeah, I'm going to get a smaller water bowl. Smaller water bowl, 100%. So back in a sec with a smaller water bowl. So I've brought her over. I've got done the water bowl. Got him over. This is my big male. There you go, little buddy. Still a bit wriggly. See, that's nice, better for you. You can have a nice roam round now. Happy little lizard. She's going to have a roam now, find where all hides are. And then I'll put a little food bowl in there for her as well. Oh, just scared of a little bit. There we go, she's got a food bowl, water bowl, bark to rub on, rocks to rub on, and bask on. Another cold hide. So yeah, I think she'll be happy in there. So I'll sign off from now, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.